Hey everybody, today an update on stocks. Today I finally made money, but it was by accident. I was looking at SPY, and the whole idea here is that it didn't open anywhere like really high or very low from yesterday's close. So this is the 0% line, basically yesterday's close. This is a daily chart. Sorry, a 1 minute chart. So each candle right here you see is 1 minute. And so I fell asleep in the morning. I just didn't wake up. I'm like, I'm gonna get my rest. So it wasn't until 9 a.m. that or 8:50 or something, I turned on the computer and I saw this where it was just kind of wanting to go down. But for me, this was more like a support, a place where the price will bounce and then go back up, maybe to yesterday's close. And this move only was a max of what, 1% probably at most, 0.9%. So I'm just gonna put that, just label that for future reference. That way I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. So this was 0.9%. And I did, buy a put, and I bought a put. So it didn't work. And let's zoom in. It didn't work. So it says right here, I bought a call here, thinking it was gonna bounce off this level and go back up, right? But it ended up not working out. So it took 1, 2, 3, 4 candles of not doing what it's supposed to do. So in my mind, it's like, it's not working. I was gonna give it 6 minutes because in the morning it took, those rallies that have been happening or sell-offs have taken about 6 minutes. For instance, right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 6 to 8 minutes is what I was gonna give it. So I gave it that time. It did not work. So I said, you know what, let me go the opposite direction. So I bought a put for $170. And in that instant, I bought two of them. I sold one for like $10 profit, thinking I had too many contracts. 2 contracts was too much for me already. And this is same day expiration, SDE. And I'm trading SPY, but I'm buying SPX options. So they're more volatile. They move a lot more crazy. They're pretty much 10 times more volatile. So I got in, and then the power went out. The computer shut off. Half of the little unit went off. The other half was on. That's because I had my heater here on, and I also was cooking eggs at the same time, and that blew out the power line, whatever it's called, the breaker. So the breaker went off, and then I had to go figure it out. So it took me about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 minutes to figure out which breaker it was to fix the issue. And once I turned on, before I even turned on my computer, I went on my phone and then I sold. I checked and I'm like, oh my God, I'm making money. And so in that period of time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, I was already up $200, and I sold. And I'm glad I kind of sold because it did this. It went a little bit up. And it's a very volatile option. It's the last day. So you can see here in the option contract that, so I bought here the option for 170-ish. And then it shot up like in those 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's where I sold around 360. And boom, it shot up. And then this movement is correlated to this movement. So I would have been very psyched out if I would have stayed in there. And then boom, it dropped down all the way back down to 112. Right now it's at 140, see it moving, and that's correlated to this. So I'm glad I got out. You know, to me it was like I'm getting out because I don't know what's going on exactly. I don't really have real full control. I can't really see the chart and the option contracts at the same time. So I got out through my phone and I just got lucky. And I mean, the play was there. I mean, if I was not, if I was on the computer and the power did not go off, I would have probably gotten out way earlier. Like way earlier. I would have been like, got out right here instead of giving it a little extra what. So this only moved, literally, it only moved from here to here. It moved 70 cents. So those 70 cents in the SPY is actually correlated to like $7, $7 move. No, not $7 move. Yeah, like a $7 move around there in the SPX. So, and that resulted in $200 in the option contract from one contract. And the call, the put that I bought was 40.75 SPX. If we look at SPX, this by SPX, it's pretty much the same thing as SPY, just 10 times 10. So I got in around, as you can see, this is where like it broke. I thought I was gonna go up, but it didn't. It failed. It went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This candle. So this is a, yeah, see, a $7.9 move, like $8, $7. I don't know exactly where I got off on the candle, but I got off this move, and it's a pretty significant move. And because the put is 40.75, we were not in the money. To be in the money, you would have to be down here. So like around here. This is 40.75 right here. So if we zoom out a little bit, so that quick move, you know, it broke that line right here, and that velocity, how fast it moved towards the target of the put, would have been, you know, that every time it goes down faster, the option contract grows way faster. So any dollar below this point is pretty much $100 in the money. All of this is out the money, but you still make money when it makes a fast, big move. So this was technically a fast, big move in a short period of time, and it worked out in my favor. So sorry for the rant. I hope this video helped, and this was just all luck. So this is not really proof that I'm good at it, and I'm not good at it. I'm still losing money. This year, I think I'm down. It says right here, I'm down like 700. Let me see, $761. I'm down, and yeah, that's what's going on. So see y'all next time. All right, bye bye.